sneezing to death. How can people be cute when sneezing? I create a tornado. That's because you're a man, probably. I can say that because my dad, when he sneezes, it's not even... Bitch causes an earthquake. Holy crap. How do you guys cause earthquakes when you sneeze? It's actually terrifying. You'll be in the bathroom and then suddenly I just hear... Like, you guys cleaning your throat or what are you doing? Why do men do that? Are you clearing out your throat or are you spitting? I don't understand why y'all do that.